Hello and welcome to all CAMAG visionCATS software users. In today's video, we'll explore the exciting new features introduced in CAMAG visionCATS version 4.0 software for HPTLC analysis. CAMAG continues to push the boundaries of HPTLC system control, offering innovative features that open up new possibilities across various applications. Now, let's take a closer look at the new features. 1. Related substances. The related substances functionality allows you to calibrate a substance of an evaluation with the calibration curve of another substance. 2. Impurity test. In this tab, you can define and check one or more impurity tests. Each impurity test is a check performed on several samples compared to one reference. 3. Internal standard. The internal standard functionality allows you to calculate unknown substances, for example decomposition products, with a known amount of a standard, for example parent substance, on the same track. 4. Standard for error correction. The standard for error correction, previously named internal standard functionality, allows you to correct peak heights areas in an evaluation. 5. Assignment mode. The assignment mode advanced option is set on a given substance in the evaluation and defines the way it is assigned single, multiple, and range. 6. LOQ, limit of detection, limit of quantitation. visionCATS provides the support of the widely used concept of limit of detection, LOD, and limit of quantification, LOQ. These new features in visionCATS 4.0 make HPTLC analysis easier, faster across diverse applications. Assignment mode overview. Welcome to this overview of assignment mode, a powerful feature in visionCATS software. This mode allows you to group multiple zones separated in the HPTLC fingerprint and plot them into a multi-level calibration graph. The graph displays the relationship between total peak area or height and the known on-plate quantity of all detected zones in a reference mixture, enabling accurate quantification of multiple analytes from your samples having unknown content. Understanding assignment mode in visionCATS software. The assignment mode offers 3 advanced options to define how substances are assigned during evaluation. Let's explore these options. Single mode. This is the default setting. The software assigns the substance to only one peak within the defined R range. If multiple peaks are detected, only the largest one is assigned. The calibration point is based on either the peak's height or area, depending on your chosen calibration type. Multiple mode. Here, the substance is assigned to all peaks found between the R start and end points. The calibration point value becomes the sum of the heights or areas of all peaks. This mode is ideal for evaluating unknown components together. However, if you need to group known substances, it's recommended to use the substance groups feature instead. Range mode. In this mode, the software assigns the substance not to individual peaks, but to the entire R range between the start and end points. The calibration point value is based on the total area of the range. This mode is especially useful for analyzing overlapping peaks that standard detection algorithms can't easily separate. Let's look at an example. Imagine you want to determine the total curcuminoid content. A reference mixture containing curcumin, dimethoxycurcumin, and bisdimethoxycurcumin is applied to the plate. Using the assignment mode, the software groups these 3 distinct curcuminoid bands into a single substance, curcuminoids. Now, let's move on to the Evaluation tab. First, click on Definition from the left-hand side in the Evaluation Steps section. Add the name of the substance with its total concentration. Add concentrations of all the samples. Next, select Advanced Options and click on Assignment Mode. In Assignment Mode, select the Multiple option. Now, click on Integration in the Evaluation steps and integrate by selecting the region of the chromatogram, from start to end RF values where we are interested. Now, click on Substance Assignment in the Evaluation steps. Assign the substance name to all the peaks of interest based on the integrated start to end RF values in the chromatogram. The unwanted peaks in selected RF region can be removed by using Not Assigned option. Next, click on Calibration in the evaluation steps. The visionCATS software then generates a calibration graph. On the y-axis, it shows the combined peak areas, or heights, of the curcuminoids across each track. The x-axis represents the total amount of the curcuminoid mixture applied to the reference tracks. From this calibration plot, the software automatically calculates the total curcuminoid content in the samples on the same plate. Finally, click on Results in the evaluation steps to view the total quantity detected in all samples. That's how you evaluate the chromatogram data and analyze the results. By using Assignment Mode feature, visionCATS v4.0 software ensures precise and flexible quantification of multiple zones together from different samples. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial helps you unlock the full potential of this feature. For more information or further assistance, please visit our website or contact our support team.